Let's take a look at the Kinghitter Auto-Latch Auger Kit. This is the standard auger system available as an upgrade to any Kinghitter post driver. How it works is you've got a high capacity 250cc hydraulic motor which is mounted off the side here of the mast. And it's controlled separately to the rest of the machine using this hydraulic ram. What that means is that it gives you the hydraulic down pressure or downforce that you need, and it means you can put a lot of weight on that auger to drive it into the ground. Not just the weight of the hammer, but the actual weight of the whole machine. It also gives you a lot of extraction force as well, so you're never ever going to get your auger stuck in the ground. It'll always be able to rip it out. So the auto latch side of it, all you need to do is lower down using your valve lever, and it automatically kicks it around in position and latches against the mast. From there you simply hold the auger motor on and push the lever to drill the hole. Once the hole is drilled, you extract the auger, it'll automatically delatch, and then from the operator's side you give it a shove and it'll swing back out of the way out to the side of the mast. So yeah, really good system to use. We've got just some spring adjusters here to keep your auger held in line. It's really important to start the hole at the right place to make sure it drives really true. That also takes the vibration and the shock and twisting load of the auger motor there. A couple of other features on this, one being the nylon pad which is between the auger motor here and the mast, transfers that twisting load, makes sure it drives really nice and smooth. You've also got a block stop system here which protects the top of the motor if you ever do accidentally lower the hammer or the post cap onto the auger motor. Capability wise, we've got auger options from 4 inches up to 12 inches. So you can always get the right size hole for your post, whether it be steel, concrete, timber, you name it, there'll be the right size auger for it. Thanks for watching. Any questions about the system, please let us know, give us a call. Keen to talk to you.